Okay, so we have Stephanie here on the table. She has a right misalignment of C1, which is the first bone in your neck. You can actually feel it underneath the earlobe right here. That bony little nub is the vertebra. It's tender, it's there. She wants me to fix it. We've already gone through the analysis. I just want to show you the implementation. So the contact is on the outside of the vertebra right here. So we'll bring your head to that tension and just get that joint mobilized. So now she has motion back there and a little bit of freedom of movement. And that's all we got today.